The legend of the octopus and the rat is one of the most famous legends in the islands of the Pacific. Long ago, in the island of Samoa, a story of the rat and the octopus started from the three best of friends, namely the rat, snail, and the owl. It all started with a sightseeing canoe trip on the ocean when it suddenly began to rain and the sea was rough. Their canoes started to sink, so the owl escaped by flying away. The snail sank with the canoe to the bottom of the ocean, and the rat tried to swim to shore, but it had a long way to go. It saw an octopus and called for help. The octopus agreed and swam to shore with the rat on his head. When they got to shore, the rat jumped off and thanked the octopus for saving his life and said that he left a little present on the octopus's head. When the octopus realized that there was a rat dropping on his head, he became extremely angry and told the rat, "If I ever see you again, I'll kill you." To this day, the octopus is mad about this and is still looking for the rat. Ladies and gentlemen, please sit back and enjoy the play entitled Ole Fe'e Male I Suna.
KEAS GROUP buat Samoan. Oleh masa ni lawan itu, oleh asyik yang nopo, oleh Samoan sisi, malu cuma isa itu. Efai kemasa ni dia efai malu. Oleh foto-foto sepak bau dong, apa masalah ya nanti orang.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Mau pipi malu. Kau memang luar. Kalau kita kalah ya, kita tak boleh usung kaya. Hoa mày ô lúa. Hoa mày lúa cách cỏ lúa. Mau cái mày nghe ổn lắm à? Nghe ổn lắm. Bố mày là cái gì? Ăn lá này là ở bố nó mua ấy lúa mà.